Today I'm going to show you how to create a customized homepage on Canvas. First, launch your course. Now, as you can see, I've already set up a homepage for my course, but if I hadn't done that, I would go to Pages in the left-hand menu. Now here I can see that this is published as my front page, but if I want to add a new page, I can select this button that says View All Pages. Over on the right-hand side, I can select Add Page. Now here I can give my new page a title. I'm going to call this Tutorial Page. And then you'll go to the HTML editor and add whatever you would like in this homepage. As you can see here, I've added some stuff to the HTML editor. When creating your page, you have a lot of options. So you can format things differently, include some tools, insert images, videos, things like that. But once you have it the way you like it, you can go ahead and click this accessibility checker just to double check that everything is looking good. Then you can scroll down and you have some options here. So for example, you could allow other people to edit this page, but since it's the home page, I'm going to say only teachers are allowed to. And then I could even select a specific publish date. And again, I can assign it to everyone, or I could have different home pages for different people. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and hit Save and Publish. So now this is what this page looks like. And although it is a page, it is not my front page. So now I need to select these three buttons to the right and scroll down and say Use as Front Page. And now you can see here that it's popped up as my front page. And when I select Home, this is now my front page. And when I select View as a Student, this is what their homepage will look like. You'll see a course stream option to the right, the calendar and notifications, as well as a to-do list. And that is how you create a customized homepage in Canvas.